Hey there, this is Shadrack Biwott, the founder Seri Digital, your digital marketing wingman, hype man, and occasional email therapist. Welcome back to the Digital Marketing for Business Owners, where we turn business confusion into conversions. Let's start with the basics. Email marketing is not about spamming your entire contact list with "buy my stuff" messages at 3 a.m. while eating noodles in your pajamas. Email marketing is the art and science of sending messages that actually people want to open. It's like dating, except with less rejection and more segmentation. You know what's cool? Email marketing has return on investment of about 4,200%. That's not a typo. For every dollar you spend, you can earn 42. That's like buying a mandazi and getting a whole bakery in return. Plus, emails don't disappear like Instagram stories or TikToks. They sit patiently in your inbox like a loyal puppy or clingy ex. Either way, they get seen. Okay, rule number 1. Get consent. Just because someone gave you their business card doesn't mean they want your emails. You're building a subscriber list, not a hunting horcruxes. Always use opt-in forms and make it crystal clear that they are joining your awesome email list, not some boring monthly spreadsheet club. Let's grow your list, but not begging. Instead, offer something juicy in exchange for your emails. Free ebook? Yes. Discount codes? Perfect. Free consultation? Chef's kiss. Time to pick your weapon. There's MailChimp, ConvertKit, Sendinblue, Constant Contact. Choose what fits your style. I choose MailChimp. Level 1. Email wizard. Think of your email list like a wedding guest list. You wouldn't send the same speech to your grandma and your colleague drinking buddies, right? Segment your purchase history, location, interests, basically like stock them legally and respectfully. Designing emails doesn't require a PhD in Photoshop. Use templates. Keep it mobile friendly because 70% of people read emails while it's just say they are multitasking in private places. Pro tips. Killer subject lines. 50% off today. Newsletter. One clear call to action, not 12. And always include that unsubscribe link. Don't make people feel trapped like they joined a digital cult. Bad news. Most email platforms don't let videos play inside the email. Good news, there's a workaround. Add a thumbnail image, slap a play button on it, and link it to your landing page. Boom, engagement unlocked. Testing isn't just for labs. Want to know the best way to send emails? Test it. Want to know if emojis in subject lines work? Test it. Data is your bestie. Use it, analyze it, improve continuously. Your audience will tell you what they love. Just pay attention. So, now you know the essentials of email marketing. It's not about sending emails. It's about sending the right emails to the right people at the right time. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and send this video to one business friend who still forwards chain emails from 209. Check the resources below. Check the quiz on our website, and don't forget, certification makes you 47% more awesome. Probably. I'm Shadrack Biwott signing off. And remember, inboxes are sacred. Don't be a spammer. Be a marketer. See you in the next module.